how this is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. Here I'm again with another unboxing. I have glass teapot for you guys. See how beautiful box this is. Different information is written, and you can see here how it is. Put your tea inside and you can see how it's changing the color. Very beautiful. And so without further ado, let me take this off from here. Wow, high quality product. This is filter. The tea will go inside. Green tea, black tea, British oil, British breakfast, whatever. Okay, after that, here I have the cover. This one, let's see. And the glass pot here, nothing else inside. And here is the glass pot. So great, so lovely, very delicate. You have to take care of this one. So you put as this one, and you put tea here, obviously boiled water. Then you cover with this. Wow, beautiful, isn't it? So boil water, tea inside, put for minutes. Then when you see the changing color, you can serve the tea as you want. So this is unboxing of glass teapot. If you guys like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then. Bye.